Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video, we are going to talk about how to configure the registration page with the BuddyX Pro. If you are navigating to the BuddyPress or BuddyBoss registration page, by default the page is a little bit blank in one column. And in this new update, we had covered to make it a little bit nice. If you go to the WP login setting, we have a new options, register. So first of all, I'm going to show you how it look like by default, and then we are going to show what changes we are doing on that one to look it much better. Going to the general setting to enable the registration functionality. Anyone can register is enabled. If you are going to check the registration functionality inside the incognito window /register. So by default, register page is driven by the BuddyPress section or the BuddyBoss based on which plugin you are using, and it's quite simple. Like it is only displaying the field, and it is a complete white page. And if we are going to check the customize setting now, WP login, register, and enable these settings, and it will allow you to include a background image with the on the registration screen. Suppose that I have picked this background image here, and you can also include some text or the content on that image, and you can also control the transparency of that image, and also set a font color what you are planning to use on that background image. And if we are going to check the register page now, register. Okay, so now you have a split view for the registration page with the sign in option and create account. So that looks much better than the default one. And in the same pattern, we can also apply the similar design with the login page. So on the login page, I'm going to enable the registration login 260. Now I'm going to enable the theme functionality here, and we have a central UI or the split view. You can include some content on the heading. I'm just adding some default content on it, and I can also set a transparency on that one. Publish. So in that way, you can have a login page and the registration page in the same view. Like if you want to keep the this is the login page and this is the registration page, you can choose whatever image you are planning to use there. So the login and the registration can have a different the similar pattern UI. And for the registration point of view, login point of view, we have different variations. And if you want to change the background image, you can also change it from here. Right now we have used this image. If you want to choose a different image for that one, you can also select it from here. Publish. And you can also adjust the width and the transparency of the forms what you are using on the login form. Same for the forget form. And button text and the button color can also be matched with your branding. So these are the options for the login, and that's a new option for the registration. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.